Hi everyone. Thank you so very much for tuning in. If you're new here, welcome and make sure to subscribe so you can become a part of the cooking, clean and everything between family. Anyways, it's been quite some time that I have not done a bespoke post unboxing, so in today's video, I will do just that. So without further ado, let's get unboxing. For this month's box, we have selected the Dulce Box, which is a handcrafted Mexican hot chocolate set. We also got some extra stuff in here, so they packed everything in one big box. Now, what is Bespoke Post? Bespoke Post is a website that you can subscribe to. You will pay $45 for a monthly box that you can choose. You can skip months or cancel the subscription at any time. The items inside of the monthly box are always well worth the $45. Everything we have gotten from them was super unique, beautiful, and functional. Now it's time for us to unpack our Dulce box. Bespoke Post also makes sure everything is beautifully and well packed, which is a plus. Nothing worse than waiting for something and then when finally arrives, the product is damaged. The first thing you see when you open the box, it's a card with the box description and how to use the items. First thing up is the Molinillo by Verve Culture. Now, I do not speak Spanish, so if I am saying something incorrectly, I do apologize. This is a hand-carved whisk, and to use it, insert the top end into your hot cocoa, place your palms around the handle, twist back and forth so the submerged rings whip your beverage into a foam. Next thing up, we have some hot chocolate so we can start using this beautiful set. So they included 4 hot chocolate discs by Villa Real, made from cocoa butter, sugar, almonds, nuts, and spices. Now let's remove this big box out of my way, but as you can see, there's 2 small boxes inside of this big box. And as usual, Bespoke Post pack everything super well so nothing comes to you broken or damaged. Okay, in the first box we have the Chocolatera or Mexican hot chocolate jug. This jug is handcrafted in Mexico and it's made of red clay, glazed in the inside and unglazed on the outside. This jug is hand wash only and stovetop safe. I do like to add that this video is not sponsored and I do not have any affiliation with Bespoke Post. This is my honest review and opinion. I will leave their website in the description box below in case you want to check it out. And just so you know, you don't have to subscribe to Bespoke Post to buy something on their website. Just go there, check it out. If you like something, go ahead and buy it. Just know that you will have to pay the full price. And the Chocolatera is nice and unpacked. As you can see, there is a beautiful glaze inside and it's beautifully made. In the smaller box, we have a set of 2 ceramic mugs, also handcrafted in Mexico, made of red clay, glazed inside and unglazed outside. This set is rustic, unique, and truly beautiful. And here you can see the Bespoke Dulce Box all together, the Mexican hot chocolate set. Now for the bonus buy. a Ulu Cutting Board. This cutting board is handmade in Alaska from Alaskan elder and black walnut accents. This is hand wash only and will be absolutely perfect for me to pair with my Ulu knife. Now it's time for us to make a warm and delicious cup of hot cocoa. But before you forget, hit the like button. Believe it or not, that helps the channel a lot. Subscribe and click on the notification bell so you can be the first one to get notified of new videos. Start by adding the milk to the chocolatera and bring to the stove top over low heat until warm. In the meantime, let's shave some chocolate. They did include 4 chocolate rings, but we will need only 1. The milk is nice and warm, so it's time to add the chocolate. Now froth the milk and chocolate with the Molinillo simply by placing it in between your palms and twisting back and forth. Now let's serve and enjoy a warm cup of hot cocoa. And this box is a 5 out of 5. The hot chocolate is nutty and creamy. The mugs kept the hot cocoa nice and warm, and the Molinillo frothed the beverage beautifully. Adding some marshmallows for a final touch. As always, guys, I'm so grateful to have you here. Thank you so very much for watching. I will see you next week. Ciao!